Now, Karnataka were under pressure to take action against the rising number of sexual assault cases in Bangalore schools. The state government has resorted to different tactics, from dismissing the issue first as inconsequential to blaming the media also. Now, the Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has come up with a new solution. He's thinking about banning male teachers for girls till the 5th grade. The Chief Minister's solution has been criticized widely even by his own party. It's time the state government then takes some concrete action.
He slept in the assembly, asked if rape was news, and blamed everyone but the government for rising rapes in schools in Karnataka. And when the pressure to act increased, this is what he came up with.
ಶಾಲೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಶಾಲೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪುರುಷರನ್ನ ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರುಗಳಾಗಿ ನೇಮಕ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಟೀಚರ್ಗಳಾಗಿರಬೇಕು.
Banning male teachers is a proposal government intends to implement after a similar observation was made by the High Court.
Now Siddaramaiah has given statement that 1 to 5th standard classes, only female teachers will be appointed. It is not a solution.
Men's rights activists hitting out strongly at the Chief Minister's bizarre idea, threatening to protest against the move if implemented.
We condemn this sort of order once if it comes and it becomes a thing, what sort of a message we give to our children that, all men are rapists.
The CM's weird idea has no takers even in his own party.
I do not know whether a Chief Minister has made such a statement. If it is so, it is wrong.
So was it a decision taken in haste, considering the growing criticism against his government? Or does the Chief Minister really believe that banning male teachers is the right move? With Anusha in Bangalore, Madiha Mujawar, Times Now.